Hello guys, if you are new for this channel, please like and subscribe it. Today I will show you how to layer stacking and removing black background of Landsat images using ENVI software. Please give me an attention and follow me. First, open ENVI software from your desktop. This software is used to image pre-processing and classifications. After classification, it can do easily change detection dynamics of land cover in rural areas especially, or in the world, depend on Landsat images. The software is open, then go to file, click file, open, and go to our folders or folder, working area or working space. Then select the relevant bands or visible bands, that is band 1, band 2, band 3, band 4, band 5. Band 6 is not visible, so we can leave it. Band 7, these are enough to this activity. Then open. After the bands are displayed here, go to raster management, click raster management, then go to layer stacking, double click, and then import files, select all. Here are file informations about this Landsat images. For example, file location, dimension, that is columns and rows, size of the images or the data, file type, that is TIFF format, sensor type, it is unknown but it is ATM7, byte order, projection, pixel, datum, and so on. All this information are here from the selected one. And then OK. After this, we can record files orderly, or we can leave it because this is an optional. If we need to delete unwanted files from here, select and say delete, and then record files orderly. This is descending order, but the software refers. This is ascending order, but the software requires a descending order. Then we can explode it. 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then OK. Here the full file range, inclusive range, encompasses all the files. The data is WGS 1984, the unit is meter, the zone is 37 because we are Ethiopians, and the pixel is 30 by 30 resolution. And we can go to output file name and go to the folder. This shows that where we are doing it, and select the folders that are compressed here. We can say this is layer stacking, then open. After that, OK. After this process, the layer stacked file is displayed and the other one is unwanted. We can remove or uncheck it. OK, go to extend, After this, after layer stacking, we can remove the black background of this Landsat image. So go to raster management here and go to edit ENVI header. Double click on it and select the layer stacking, this one, then OK. After this process, some information about this layer stacking file is displayed with its new windows like this. Here is add, remove or import metadata, but we are importing before it. Raster file name, this name is already given here, and header location the same as raster file. The column, rows and bands are selected here, and the other informations are listed here, but there is no data ignore value, that must be 0. So in order to get it, the data ignore value, go to add icons and click on it, then search data ignore value and select it, finally OK. After this, go to data ignore value spaces and type 0. After typing 0 and the window is normal, then click OK. Now the removing background is already done. We can select the stacker layers and uncheck the original one. We can check whether it's good or not. Yeah, it is already done. So you can do every Landsat images which have a background which is black, and then we can do the next processes. This is one part of the pre-processing of Landsat images. After this activity, followed by radiometric correction, geometric correction, and others, finally we can do supervised and unsupervised classifications, and then change detection analysis. This software is better to do such activities simply. Thank you very much.